Hello and welcome, and I'm at Caravan Salon. This is Etrusco. It's a brand of the Hymer group. It's meant to be the cheapest brand. They're manufactured in Italy, and one of the cheapest, two others, Carthago and Sunlight, but they're more or less all the same. Carthago and Sunlight are manufactured in Neustadt and Sachsen in Germany. And let's have a look at this one. This Ford based off-road called CV600DF. What a name. I'd have called it something else. There, 82,094 for this. 595 by 206 by 284. The Ford has very good off-road capacity, in my opinion. I was taken out, not on this one, but I was taken out on the Carmann Mobil, which effectively it's the same Ford base, and it was very impressive indeed. Oh, I enjoyed it. And anyway, this is a bit different from the Carmann Mobil version, and so this is clearly somebody might be looking for something like here. We have this widthwise bed at the back. Note the net to stop you falling out the back when the door is open. That's the first time I've seen the net in a vehicle like this. I mean, there's lots of what I think are pointless nets. Actually, I can actually agree with that. At the moment, it's so hot. Okay, I've got the windows open, doors open on my vehicle. Okay, I'm on a campsite. I feel safe. But but that really does make sense. Now, I bet it hasn't got a mosquito blind, but you can get them now for the Ford as well. Anyway, that apart, let's have a look what else there is. Big storage, lots of storage up there as well. Bit wasted in a way, but at least it's there. And I think we could put some, one could put, I should say, something like the keeper system or something just to stop things held there from falling out. Steps up to the bed. This piece will of course come out. We've got the two-way fridge. Sorry, it's the fridge which opens two ways. Down here, the clever Dometic fridge. On the raised part, we've got a sink, and here we've got two burners. This is a very unusual way of doing it. Obviously, it means there's less preparation space for food, but you could of course do that at the table. But it does give this easy access entry, so that I find rather attractive. Let's have a look in here. So the door is one of these doors where you harmonica door, and that's what the washroom looks like. Now, I didn't turn the light on, and it still comes out quite nicely. Here, I'll turn the lights on. There you go. You can see it now with the light on. You see it with the light off and the light on. What about that though? Look at all this space down here in the shower. 6-meter camper van. The Ford is an easier van to build with. It's a because of the shape of it, and it's a bit higher than the others. Now, I know there are people complaining at the Ford at the moment, and I think these complaints are probably somewhat justified. But I think this looks really, really good. I've just done a video on the van beside this, which was somewhat negative. But this, okay, off-road beast. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the back. I'll turn the light off as I'm leaving. Oh, I see the light was put down here. Okay, the mosquito net has also been recessed like that, and at the other end we've got another one here. So you know, there's that two mosquito nets. Yeah, that's nicely done. It's not the only van it does it that way. I need to point out Bürstner also does it theirs that way. Now here we've got this extension And whereas the Ford, I did say it's got a very nice shape to it for building with, but it does go up slightly. No, it doesn't go up like some other brands do, much less than many other brands, but it does a bit. In that, the extension here gives this extra space inside in the bedroom. Okay, so we've got this these steps up. Looks rather royal. In here we've got the gas cupboard, takes two large gas canisters. There's plenty of space down there. You can move this around should you want to. There isn't the mosquito net in the back, but I think you, sorry, I'm pretty certain you can get one. Horex Driving Change has one, and I'll have to give you a link to them. If I forget, please remind me. You probably get one from the Renault catalogue or the other catalogues, Frankia, Maurer, etc. In the door, mosquito blind. Scarcely see it in this. I don't know if it's even coming out of the camera, but even I can barely make it out. And you can also open the window if you want as well. And let's come around this side. There you go. Transit 600DF complete, all-wheel drive. Sorry, and also note the extension here as well, the flare and the space it gives inside. Okay, let's have a look inside and that side as well. Yeah, you can see it there. So, have I been a bit over the top on this, but have I been a bit too positive about it? I have come to the conclusion that in many cases, my objective in doing motorhome reviews is to tell the truth, to give people the bare facts as they are. So sometimes I'm really excited about Vanlife. I live in a motorhome. I am I really do. Some of my tourist videos, I think I'm really say the enthusiasm is very strong, but at the same time I want to point out the bad things. I don't want people making mistakes. I don't want people coming to me and say, you said it'd be this and it'd be something else. It's better to say something which is negative that may later turn out to be a positive than the other way around. So there are people who don't like negative reviews or me saying because it destroys their dreams. I believe in telling the truth. So anyway, having said all that, if somebody's got anything negative to say about it, I'll even pin the comment. And the vehicle beside it, this one here, very negatively was very negative about. So anyway, thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15 my time. I live in Poland and Germany, so if you're interested, you can see lots of my tours around Poland and Germany. Okay, I lived in other countries as well, Italy, travelled down Switzerland, Austria, Czechia as well, Ukraine as well. And but anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. All the best from me in Germany.